The Colt Python, a revolver often described as the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. Renowned for its craftsmanship, accuracy, and timeless design, it has earned a place among the most iconic firearms in history. The story of the Colt Python begins in the mid-1950s. Colt set out to design a premium revolver, originally intended for the .38 Special cartridge. But in 1955, Smith & Wesson released the powerful Model 29, chambered in .44 Magnum. Colt quickly adjusted course, redesigning its revolver to fire the .35-7 Magnum, a cartridge known for its excellent stopping power and growing popularity with law enforcement. The Colt Python was built on a large frame and could operate in both single-action and double-action modes. One of its standout features was the smooth-tuned trigger, specially designed to make double-action shooting precise and consistent. The revolver was offered in several barrel lengths: 2.5 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. In its early years, the Python came in 3 main finishes: royal blue, a deep polished blued steel finish, standard nickel electroplating, and royal Colt Guard, a non-electrolytic nickel finish that offered superior resistance to corrosion and wear. By the early 1980s, nickel finishes were discontinued in favor of stainless steel models. From then on, buyers could choose between the famous royal blue or stainless steel. One of the Colt Python's most recognizable traits is its heavy barrel with ventilated ribbing across the top. Extra steel beneath the barrel reduced muzzle flip, giving shooters better control and accuracy. The adjustable rear sight made it even more precise at longer ranges. Over the decades, several variations of the Python were introduced. The Python Hunter, produced from 1980 to 1990, it featured an 8-inch barrel, a Leopold 2X scope, and came in a custom aluminum case with accessories. It was the first revolver from a major manufacturer marketed specifically for hunting. The Python Target, a long-barreled Python chambered in .38 Special, available in royal blue or nickel finish. The Python Silhouette, similar to the Hunter but with a simpler black case and different scope mount, making it more affordable. Colt also experimented with other revolvers using Python barrels. The Colt Boa, produced only in 1985, it combined the Python barrel with the Colt Trooper frame. The Colt Grizzly, made in 1994, it paired the Python barrel with the Colt King Cobra frame. Both were chambered in .35-7 Magnum and are now rare collector's pieces. The Colt Anaconda is often mistakenly seen as a Python variation. While it shares a similar barrel profile, the Anaconda was chambered for larger calibers, like .44 Special, .44 Magnum, and .45 Colt. It had a different frame design and was not a direct descendant of the Python. In October 1999, Colt ceased production of the Python, along with several other revolvers. Rising litigation costs and shifts in the firearms market made production unsustainable. From 1999 to 2005, Colt produced limited Python Elite models on special order, but even these ended in 2005. After years of absence, the Colt Python returned in January 2020. Modern manufacturing techniques allowed Colt to build an even stronger stainless steel frame. The new Pythons were offered with 4.25-inch and 6-inch barrels, bringing the legend back to life. The Colt Python's single-action firing mechanism is a testament to Colt's precision engineering. When the hammer is cocked, the cylinder rotates, the main spring is tensioned, and the trigger is staged for release. Pulling the trigger releases the hammer, striking the firing pin and igniting the cartridge. This smooth, carefully tuned mechanism is one of the reasons why the Python gained such a reputation for accuracy and quality. By the late 1980s, however, the Colt Python began to lose ground with police departments. Semi-automatic pistols chambered in 9mm offered higher magazine capacity, lighter weight, and faster rates of fire. Although the .35-7 Magnum was more powerful, The practical advantages of semi-autos made them the standard for law enforcement. Despite its decline in police service, the Colt Python never lost its prestige. Collectors, shooters, and historians continue to admire its exceptional build quality, elegant finish, and smooth action. This reputation earned it the title of the Rolls-Royce of Revolvers. For many, the Colt Python remains the finest revolver ever made. This is Military Power TV. Subscribe for more.
I'll take that.